Today I'm in the new office for the Economic Development and Tourism Department for the city. This week's edition will show you around our new space. This week I'm standing outside the brand new office for the Department of Economic Development and Tourism in the Executive Plaza at 601 Caroline Street, Suite 303, so on the third floor of the building here. And I'm with Mr. Ray Regan. Ray is Assistant Director for Public Works for the City of Fredericksburg. He runs up our facilities division and was really critical in making this whole project happen. So we invited Ray to tell you about our new space. So Ray, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Bill. I appreciate the invitation. In about 2017, the city had a study done and determined that the Economic Development and Tourism Office needed some upgrades, needed to be more ADA compliant. So we started looking for space, and this floor had partial undeveloped space. So we targeted it as a renovation and to move the Economic Development Office to this floor. We started this renovation about 6 months ago, and we were able to renovate about 1,500 square feet to create 5 private offices, 1 conference room, 4 workstations, and a reception area for staff. We renovated the lobby, and we put in a lot of windows inside. As you can see here, we have a very large window to greet our visitors, and we put windows inside the hallways so that we could get some natural light out into the spaces. So it's become a very nice space for our staff and welcoming visitors to the city.
Absolutely, and thank you, Ray, for everything you did to make this happen. We moved here from the 706 Caroline Street, the 2nd and 3rd floors. The Visitor Center is still there at 706 Caroline Street. There's a kind of a companion project to renovate the 1st floor of this space, which will be the new Visitor Center. And so stay tuned for more information about that. That should be opening sometime this fall. But again, the EDT moved in here on May 22nd. And Ray, why don't we go inside and take a look?
Okay, let's go. This is the break room. We're very excited to have all the components here to serve this floor. This will be shared by the training room across the hall and any meetings that might be taking place. Plus the staff will use this on a day-to-day basis. We've also done renovations on the full floor. We moved our planning and building development services to that floor. Brand new build out, brought that up to current code and standards. We're also working on the 1st floor for the Visitor Center. That project is underway. We anticipate that to be completed in about 6 months. So this has been a very exciting project for us. We're so happy to have the EDT in the building now to help complete our build outs in this building.
All right. Well, Ray, thank you again. Ray does a ton of great work for the city, keeping all the city facilities up to snuff, and he's a hard worker and easy to work with, and we appreciate everything you do.
Thank you, Bill. I appreciate the input I had from your staff. Yeah. This was certainly a team effort to pull everything together and build out a great space for you guys.
Absolutely, and we're happy to be here. Okay, so that'll do it for this week's edition. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next week.